We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the RUNBOX Wallet for Men Slim RFID Leather 2ID window with gift box. This wallet has quickly gained popularity and ranks highly among men's wallets, reflecting its appeal and quality. The RUNBOX Wallet is designed with a carbon fiber weave that delivers a sleek, modern look while maintaining lightweight durability. Users consistently praise its ability to withstand daily use without showing signs of wear, keeping a fresh, new appearance even after extended periods of use. This durability is a key feature that sets it apart from many traditional leather wallets. The wallet's slim profile is another highlight. It manages to hold a substantial number of cards, IDs, and cash without becoming bulky. Many users appreciate how it fits comfortably in pockets without creating an unsightly bulge. The design includes multiple card slots and 2 ID windows, providing easy access and organization. Despite its slimness, the wallet does not compromise on capacity, making it practical for everyday carry. A significant feature of the RUNBOX Wallet is its RFID blocking fabric. This technology is intended to protect your cards from unauthorized scanning and electronic theft. Many reviewers have expressed satisfaction with this security aspect, although a few have noted that the tap-to-pay functionality does not always work as advertised with the easy access card slots, requiring removal of the card for contactless payments. This minor inconvenience is often outweighed by the peace of mind the RFID protection offers. The wallet also comes in an attractive carbon black color, which users find stylish and suitable for various occasions. Its aesthetic appeal is complemented by solid craftsmanship, making it a wallet that owners do not hesitate to show off. The quality of materials and build contribute to a sense of comfort and security, which many users value highly. Some users have mentioned the absence of a build divider, which could be a deliberate design choice to maintain the slimness and cater to those who carry less cash in the digital payment age. While some miss having a dedicated bill compartment, others have adapted well to this streamlined approach. The wallet still provides space for cash, cards, and IDs in a well-organized manner. Overall, the RUNBOX Wallet for Men strikes a balance between style, functionality, and security. It is well suited for those who want a durable, modern wallet that protects their personal information and fits neatly in their pocket. The positive feedback from thousands of users underscores its status as a reliable and fashionable choice. If you own this wallet, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Remember, the product link is in the description to support the channel and help you find this excellent wallet easily.